let me share my screen. So I'll show the first help you what we have done here. Maybe I have done in some other system, but anyway, does not matter here. This is what I have did, right? This will help you. This table we have joined here. On this table, sorry, on this field, common field. These are the fields that will be visible in this view. And one more thing here is you can't see the data here. See here, you can't access the data here. Like a database view, like a projection view, like a maintenance view, you can't see the data because help view is useful only inside the search help. Very important to point.
Help you, okay. Help you is
Help
useful
you
only in the
is useful
search help.
inside the search help. You cannot see. You cannot see data using either SC11 or SC16N. You know SC16N also. SC16N is usually will be using this for analysis purpose data. SC11 user will not be having access. SC16N user access. Here SC16N. No, you can see any database data. Go to Mara display. You can see the data. This is user interactive transaction code SC16N.
So still you are, sorry, we are still discussing help you, right?
Help you only, but I'm showing that we have one more transaction code SC16N also. I don't know, I told already or not told.
No, SC16N first time.
This is the flow. SC11 is for user, sorry, developers. SC11 is for developers.
In SC16 for SAP user, right?
Yeah, for developer. SC16N is for the users. Same purpose, but table structures and all they cannot see because they don't need, right? They are the users. They don't know what is the backend. The users.
No, you already given the idea of SC16N. Yes, sir.
Here you can access here the other views. Okay, like database view. I think for maintenance view also. This is the maintenance view. Maintenance view also will be able to access here in the SC16N. You can change the data. You can do it, maintenance, but help you can't here. Help you can be used only inside the only search help. For example, if I try to give here this one. See, nothing, you can't see any data here. So the concept is to inside the search help. You cannot see data using either SC11 or access. This is clear, right? See, this simple definition will be clear only if you practice it. I mean, if you see in the system. By reading the definition, okay, we understood that. Oh, help you means only you can see in SC11 data. SC16N you cannot see. How do you remember that? We should go to SC16N. Try here, copy paste, execute. Then it is not allowing. Oh, that is the concept. That way, each definition looks very simple, provided we will be able to practice as much as possible. Then concept will be more clear. And the way answer people will tell in the interviews, we will easily catch the person who is remember the answer and who has been already done practice and then do the answer. Got the point? All of you, everybody, any interviews.
Yes, yes, sir.
No.
Because interview questions are same for last 20 years or 15 years or 30 years, more or less, in the web dictionary and all. But the way answered by the other person, we recognize that this person is practiced and knows the concept, and the person who answers just by keeping the answer, remembering.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So help you we have. So help you we created. Next step, this help you where we have used is we went back. If you go to search help here, right? We go
Sir,
to here.
one doubt.
Yes,
Sir,
yes, you can ask. Yes, you can ask us.
sir, if we should activate like the search help thing to not see the data, sir.
Here, huh?
No, sir, yeah, when I tried SN16, when I executed, the data are showing, sir. That was like we have to activate the search help or like that. Is there something like that, sir?
Search help we don't see in SC16N. SC16N, you can see the data. User will use this transition code to see the data of the tables and views both.
It's like if we execute it, we cannot see the employee name, employee number.
You can see your employee table, you can see it here. For example, you have created yesterday some employee tables, right?
Yes,
What's the
sir.
table name you created?
ZMAK _ EMPL, sir.
Table. You can search here table. I think you created yesterday first table, this one, no? Right? Click on the
Yes, sir.
table.
Yes, sir.
You see the data here.
Okay. Sir.
So this. Yeah, go ahead.
If we are like if we are in search help, we cannot see this, or we can access to the user can access this, sir.
Actually, search help concept is to give the search option to the user. I'll explain now. So you'll understood more clearly. Like this one. For example, you are clicking here, right? This one.
Yes,
this
sir.
option. This is search help actually. Backend concept is search help only. This is called search help in SAP ABAP. SAP.
Okay, sir.
Whatever that you get this option for searching to the user, this is called search help. Backend ABAP person has created a search help to this field. Hence, you are getting this option like this here. Same here also. If I put a break here, you see search option here. This search option, how it is coming is backend. SAP has created a search help and they attached that to the skin field. We'll see this also when you go for the skin programming. You can attach the search help to the skin fields also, like this also. See search help.
Okay.
This is no search help because you don't have a search option here. This is search help.
So if you're giving view, we can only see the attributes or attributes of the table only, no, sir. In view.
Here.
If you're giving in view, yes, sir.
Here, if you give the view name, if it is a database view, or if it is a projection view, or if it is a maintenance view, you can see the data through SC16N. You can see the data.
Cannot, even the backend data also, no, sir. That this employee name is individual name and ID.
Okay, you mean this field names, Field names,
yes, sir. Field names.
See, field names you can see here. This is your table, but you don't see the structure of that data type, size. You are not seeing here, right? You observe here.
Yes,
observe the difference between this screen and SC11 screen.
Schema, you cannot modify or you cannot see the schema. Only field names. Second things, the purpose of this search help view is help used for reusing purpose, right? And whatever the field we have, whatever the field we included in the search help will be available. Sir, will be available if we are using that view, we are using that help view, right, sir?
Whatever the fields you expose in the help you are available as a display option here like this you are getting, right? Options here. I'll show you once. So again, we are going to use that one now in 2 minutes, 5 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, you understood
Okay,
more
sir.
clearly. This transaction code is SE16N. N is new transaction, nothing but they call as SAP, they call as NJ transaction code. Okay, useful only for the users, end users, not for the developers, web developers. Okay, that's why you see here, you see the field names, but you don't see the size and data type here.
Mm.
Same table, if you open S11, I'll open in S11/O. If I go S11, I went, your table only, same table. See the difference here now, here and here. Right? Here you don't see the structure of the table like primary key, all these flags and all, data type and all. But you see only names of the field here. Because user does not need this information. User is the end user. As I said, this terminology is very important. Like if you go and try to book a bus tickets from Karnataka KSRTC. So we are the users, right? We don't know what is the backend. Right? As I say many times, we go to here. I go to KSRTC. Right? If I go, right, I am the user or I am the developer now for this website. This is a website.
User.
I am the user. We are the user. Same way there as well. So
Okay.
you are in the SAP point of view. You should think when you are developing a new programs and all as a developer, not a user. So user is going to use our application.
Okay, sir.
Right.
So search and view are for like majorly used by viewer purpose only, no, sir? For viewer.
Search help main purpose is search help means that name itself will tell that you are helping to search. That is the meaning.
Search.
Yeah, that is the perfect terminology. Search help means you are giving the option to the user to search. For example, even if you go to SC11, for example, here, SC11 here, you see here this option here. This is search help here. This is search help only. This is the output of search help. SAP has designed this one. This is also search help like this. Now, right, I'll go to search help search help here, display here. You see here, we are given this information, this one. This is the source of the data, comes from the help view, this flow. This is the help view. Okay. In the element is search help. Okay, this will act as source of the data. Do you see the selection method here? Here, this code, this one. This is nothing but your search. Help you. Okay, na? And here we are given the fields we have chosen. Export is for exporting the value when the user is selected. And list position, S position is S position I give as a homework. Check it in the last class. Try to understand what is S position. Okay, and also I said that here, what is the purpose of this one? This dialog with value restriction. Try it. It is not a big thing. Okay, now This screen will give you the structure of your search help. When it is going to use, copy this, use this in the ABAP program. Go to ABAP program, create a new ABAP program.
SE 33.
38.
38.
Usage of search help. So always when you are practicing your programs, right, make sure practice this way. Give the name, get the first 2-3 characters of your name and purpose of that, and better you also give the date as well. So easy for searching, 25th April. So that it will be having clear date with the date. Okay, follow the perfect same as like this always. Okay, like this, or ZMS April, right? You can do here as April. Better is practice only one way of doing this. April. Okay, underscore usage of search help. April 25th. So, but it will give you clarity right here. Okay, click on create. Give the program. This also give very meaningful name. Your title also. Because while you were searching, right, this we will give the clarity. Search help usage program. Like this, you give very meaningful name. Search help usage program. Even you can go like this also. In the real-time projects, right, we will define this naming, this standards also in the document. Then we'll provide to you. You should follow accordingly. Yes. Executable. Go to save. Go to here. Do the package. Okay. What is this one? This can you call?
What, sir?
What do you call this skin?
Program, ABAP program.
Editor, sir. Editor.
IDE.
ABAP editor. This is ABAP GUI editor.
GUI editor.
GUI.
ABAP people, this is the playground of ABAP. Okay.
We have like every programs are done here, sir, for the table.
Yes, for table access, so everything will done here. We can do in Eclipse also. Okay, so we'll come to the Eclipse also. Eclipse is a mandatory if a project is working not on the GUI, and that means only in the public cloud in that scenario.
Acha. That's why Eclipse is required.
Now, Eclipse is mandatory in the public cloud. You can't use anything GUI. No, I see that here there.
Why in public cloud we are not able to? We will not use GUI. What is the reason, sir?
SAP don't want come out of from the GUI based applications because all are now browser based applications, cloud applications, like apps, pure apps and app. Hence, they want to go through with. I think Eclipse is open, right, for many applications. Java.
Sir, Visual Studio Code is possible? Visual Studio Code?
I think yes, in the coming days.
In
the coming days, yes, that also is possible.
Okay.
Next class, I'll show you. Program. Tell me.
Sir, in while creating that program, no, sir. You said no. There they have given ABAP language version, no, sir. What exactly the three difference between what is that language version, sir. There is standard, cloud development, key
Can you-
uses.
Mega, good query. So can you share your screen?
Here, huh?
Yes, sir. Here, ABAP language version, sir. If we try to save it, it is asking no, sir.
Here, this one.
Yes, it will ask.
Sir.
So, I
Good
think
question,
if you
by
are
the way,
going
good
for the
question.
good question.
Yeah.
So, above for cloud development, you go for the cloud applications. I think this is a new option here. Above language version. Above for key users. No, we don't see any difference. Let's see. 1 minute. Good question. Above for key users. Save it now. Do you see any impact here? So we don't see any look of this one here.
So type on ChatGPT na. What is the difference between key users and ABAP key users?
We'll get from the real thing later. Now at this point of not important. Okay, na?
Good, mega good. Bring this kind of things, huh? Okay.
Yeah, of course. So
That's why I said our batch is very good. We are taking interest.
so the statement report is not.
So for
Because
now, we have to give standard ABP, sir.
default one, give the default one. Whatever has come here, default one has come what? ABAP, standard ABAP. Right? Use this only. We'll see this one. What is the editor lock? Editor lock is other users cannot change your ABAP program if you use this editor lock. If I choose editor lock,
Sir, is it possible ki in same program like a Git, okay, Git means if the team is working on multiple people are working on the same project, okay, and if some same file two or three people are working simultaneously, is it possible? Means check in check out concept here.
it is possible. It will create one more transport request with that user ID.
Okay, transport request.
It will create one more transport request. So better is if you make it lock here, no others can change your web program. Yeah.
Is this best practice to make the log?
Editor lock is to lock program with respect to work only for your user ID. Only your user ID.
But is it good practice or not? Because if I'm doing editor log and then after I left the organization, then that program will not be accessible by any new people.
Not a good practice. Not a good practice because your program is not your own program, right? It's company program.
Yes, yes.
So this is a default statement comes once you choose that executable program here. Here, right? What that we are choosing here, one more option here. We'll see include program in the coming days, model pool program in the coming days. For the function group, all the remaining things, we don't do anything. System will generate based on some types of programs. It generates those types for those programs. We'll
Sir,
see
just
this.
Just wait. Mega, we still not started that ABAP programming. We are still on the configuration part.
Okay.
It's a concept only. What we are doing here is here. This is ABAP. So what we have done till now is this is ABAP dictionary. This is heart of the ABAP. Heart not only for the ABAP, it is heart for the entire SAP.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Next, what we are going to use, we are writing programs. This is ABAP. So through the ABAP program, what we are doing is we are going to create a business transaction codes. This is a business transaction codes. If it is a GUI based, like MM01, like MM01, VA01, those things. This one, and this is going to use by, sorry, if it is a business T codes, if it is a Fiori app, this is the Fiori app. So these are going to use by the users here. This is the users here. This is the user here. Backend ABAP program. And they see the output. This is the output. Okay. So what simple flow I will make you understood quickly. What I do is I'll quickly create in 2 minutes one material. We are not deviating. Okay, na? I'm making it to more clarity. Okay. For example, you just be here only. Let it be. Quickly I'll create even new materials. Who will create the materials in the real-time projects? The real-time scenarios?
MM people.
Not MM people. Users.
Users. Haha, yes, yes.
User is different. Again, this flow. In SAP, typical flow is developer. Functional consultant. The user here. This is the flow of the work.
But the user people of MM department are also user, na?
MM people will enable which field should be in this screen and all. Which field should be available. What all the things should be available here and all will be decided by the SAP functional people.
Configuration part done by
Yes.
SAP people.
They don't use this on day to day. They don't use by users. It's a user. It's a functional consultant. Here ABAP. Here person is, for example, MM, SD.
No, sir. I'm one confusion I'm having.
Hmm.
See, you told that ki MM people, sir, suppose in one company, Reliance, okay, there is material management department is there, MM department is there, okay. So these people, the people of that department are user or they are only consultant?
They are the users, not consultants. For the Reliance SAP, suppose Accenture is supporting. Accenture is the company who is taking care of their IT activities. So they will come under as a consultants. Accenture.
Clear. My concept clear. Okay.
Or and also Reliance, the people who are using day to day of MM01, their role is user role, not a consultant role.
Okay, sir. Clear.
And sometimes we can call them also the IT team or like that. IT team will be slightly different. IT team is who will support them internally.
Operations, है ना?
IT team.
Okay.
IT team. Internal IT team.
So, consultant means they'll manage the projects. Developer, we have to develop the project for them, no, sir? Like that.
We are consultants. You and me are consultants only. We are all the consultants. Consultants are again like this. Consultants means who will come under consultants? The web developers. MM, SD, FI, consultants. So, MM, SD, FI.
Mega, hello. Suppose one manufacturing unit is there, Reliance or Aditya Birla, whatever manufacturing, they are or Tata, which are producing the car. Okay, they are manufacturing the cars. Okay, So in that department, they are having one material, in that company, they are having one department, material management. Suppose 50 people are working in the material management department, right? So they are the user. For them, we will create these screens. We will
Okay.
do the configuration. They will directly use on their day-to-day life. Sir, am I correct?
What, sir? Sorry, can you repeat?
For example, there is one car manufacturing company, Tata. Tata, okay?
Mm.
Tata is having one department, material management. And in that department, 50 people are working. 50 people.
Mm.
It can be a mechanic or a automobile engineer, right? Designer, drafter, some 50 civil engineers, some 50 people are working in that department, right? We are a consultant. We will create the flows and configuration in SAP, and they will use that flows and screens in their day-to-day life in the company.
Yes, they use it.
Uh,
So as the employees, they use it as a end user. Like think this way: you are building the KSRTC website as a developers. Similar way. Similar way, you are designing the screens for them, like purchase orders, so sales orders and all. They use it every day in the day-to-day their activities for creating purchase orders, so sales orders, so reports, so for all these things. That way we should think.
And suppose Mega, see, we have created, and sometimes some senior person come from that department. Ki, I need this field also, so we need to add this field
Real
in
time.
that is our task, right, sir?
Yes, correct.
Okay, now
Okay.
Our task is always in the software what they are seeing the output and all to add any extra features, new fields, new things and all. We will take care of. We means as a consultants, either ABAP with functional people.
Okay.
And these people are they use the every day here. Some people, a lot of inquiries will come to me saying that, sir, we are working so many years as a users, so we want to become as a consultants. They ask me, they will come to me. Then I say that you go and learn either SAP, SD or MM or FI, then you will become a consultant. They know how to use SAP. What is MM01, BA01, they know. Back end of that, they don't know. What is that? Like you know, right, how to use the KSRTC or IRTC front end.
But we don't
Take
know the
some booking.
companies. We don't know the
We don't
companies
know in the
flow.
backend code what they have written for that KSRTC website backend number.
Use cases, that company's use cases, we don't know. That we have to create, right? Understand, hai na?
Same thing here as well. As a user, they know everything how to use the product, but they don't know what is there in the backend product. It's similar like this. We are all using mobiles. We are the users for the mobile, right? But you don't know how the mobile is manufactured, each product, each item, right? If you go and join in the mobile company, in the manufacturing of mobiles, you will become a consultant. You will not become a user. You are a user now for a mobile. You got the point?
Yes, sir.
See, this will give the clarity. This is a good thing of this discussion or understanding. Okay, writing code is different. Okay, but why you are writing? What is the concept behind that? If we understood, it will be more effective the learning process. This is what my observation.
Okay.
Do you agree?
Yes, sir. We have to learn what is happening behind. No, sir.
So at least some basic view, if you can get the idea, then it will be more interesting what you are learning.
Yes, sir.
See, for example, I was telling that the data flow. So this is a user. User will go here, go to here, choose some chemical industry here. You want to create some materials there in the system. Okay, some waste material, or suppose I choose something here. As a developer, who is the backend design this screen is ABAP guy. This screen, using the ABAP only. This data will go to database tables, what we have studied already. After you save the information here, the data will go to database tables. So this is the flow I explain every time. Many times I explained again already, but still I will explain one more time here. This is the flow. The flow is, this is the business transaction code. Business T code here. And here, this is SAP database table. So user will create a new material. Click on save button here. Your ABAP code is responsible to build this screen. And also your ABAP code as ABAP developer of SAP company responsible to transfer the data from here to here. This is the data flow. Data will go and sit in Mara table. Okay. Now I'll go to here. I'll create a new materials. Press enter. So you don't need to worry about all these features of what exactly each one of this one, because this is not our job. So our job is just you are creating new materials. That's all. Choose the basic data one here, for example. Now it gives one more screen here where you can enter the information of the materials, what you are going to maintain in the system. I can say here, chemical industry material. How do you measure this material? See, if anything comes out in SAP, right? You can press F1. What button should click?
F1.
F1. Go to
Ah.
F1. Try to understand, even when you are practicing, right?
Hmm.
When you are practicing, you spend some good amount of time in this area. Press F1, note down the definition in the notebook or notepad. Then you get a lot of, automatically you get a business knowledge also.
Hmm.
So what is the meaning of business base unit of measure? So it says that here. Unit of measure for which stocks of the materials are managed. The system converts all the quantity you entered in other units of measure to the base units of measure. Just basic, simple difference you try to remember. You may not understood 100% of this one, but at least the basic concept, you will get what is the meaning of that field.
Hmm.
How do you measure this material? This is the best way of becoming techno-functional for any ABAP developers. This is what I tell in the projects also. In the projects also, we should not work as only ABAP developer. We should work as a techno-functional, business point of view understanding, not only to do what is required. Okay, suppose I'll give the KG here. Where I can see the KG, I can see here by search option. This search help. This is what we are building. See search help. Here all the options will come. So I have given the KG here. I'll create one more information, I'll give material group also. These fields only we are taking from day one, all the examples of the tables. Material number, material type, units of measure, material group. This information only I am taking. So what is the material group? If you want understood, press F1. Press F1, you get a documentation. It says that this used to group together several materials or services with the same attributes and to assign them to a particular material group. Okay. You can use material groups to restrict the scope of analysis. Such specialty for material master records, you can see by seeing the data, you get more clarity here. Go to here, search here. You can see by seeing this information, right? So the beauty of this IT industry, right? Lot of things will get more clarity by seeing the data also. You understood that what the purpose of data, what the purpose of that field, for example. But you can see here, so there are so many material groups are there. Tires is one material group, car wheels is one material group, right? So these material groups are different material groups has been created. I can choose here, right? So you don't need what is the ALCC. This is under some tires group or some chemical group, material group. And if you want gross weight, you can give the gross weight, not mandatory. And net weight, if you want to go next to net weight. And Q, if you want, how do you measure this unit of this unit? So you should give the here the measurement here. For this also, you can try to understand what is the gross weight. Press F1. Function F1. It will tell you that gross weight expressed in the unit of weight specified by you in the units of weight field. Okay, gross weight means overall weight of your material information here. This should be always less than this one. You try to give more than this, what will happen? Check it. Now listen very carefully. This concept, right? Now the moment I click on save here, the save here. As a user, now you become as a user. You entered all the data here. this data, these fields developed by the ABAP people, SAP company people. You can also develop in the next topics. SAP has developed these fields, ABAP people developed these fields, and they have written the code. That code will take the data from here to database tables. I'll show now the flow. Now I click on save. Save. See, now once the moment click on the save, now data is being transferred from here to database table. Transferred means it will not do automatically. Backend ABAP code has been written. SAP ABAP code has been written. That code will go and sit in. That code will make sure that the data should be inserted into these tables. Which tables? I'll take the Mora table because that will go to Mora table. Go to here, display, Mora table. Click on display. Go to the contents. Okay. Copy paste the material number what you just now created. What the material number you created just now? What the material number you created just now?
2197.
So
2197.
I'll give 2197 here. I'm searching here. What this skin is? This skin, you know, table structure. To see the records, you click this button. And again, what is this skin you call? This skin is input skin. Before you display all the
yes.
data, input
Yes.
skin. Suppose if you don't do anything, it give all the materials in the system here. All the materials in the system. But you want such only specific materials, copy paste here. 2197. Give 2197 here. Click on execute. So now that material number only has come here. See, I given the KZ material group. This is a material group. How do you know material group? This is KZ, units of measure. I'm saying. How do you know units of measure? This one. This is the field names, not a field description. Go to here. Settings. User parameters. Make it field label. Do you remember yesterday also, Mega, you were trying to create a new table. So we were giving the label for the field.
Yes.
At the data element level. At the data element level. That is what this one here. Press enter here. Now you see here. You see material group. This is material group. This is base unit of measure here. BUN means base unit of materials. How do you see? Go to data element of MEINS/S11. Right? Go to Mora table. What is the base unit of measure field here? Here, this field here. This is the data element. Go to double click. Right? Data element. Go to the field
Field
label.
name, field label.
Here, do you see this? It has taken BUN, this one. This is how the flow happens here. So now the data has been flowed to your database table here.
But sir, hello.
Hmm.
Go back. Nice question. So BUN is there, okay? But apart from BUN, 3 more names are there. But why it is only taking BUN?
So this will be taken. You can choose in the when you are designing the screen, right? You can choose these options: short to medium.
Oh,
long.
got it,
heading.
sir, got it. No need to explain.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
that we have configured that. Okay, we will check this one heading. In this case, they have taken the heading.
Correct. Here. Based on the screen size, also it comes accordingly.
Will you able to see in that program for that table above program?
You can see this code here. This code. For this code you can see. The table code also you can see, but table code not much useful. If you go to here, this code, if you want to see this MM01, go to click on system, status, go to the program. This is the program. Backend ABAP program. This code is written by SAP to transfer the data from the screen to database tables. Now here, whatever you entered in the screen here, in this table, right? This record has come from here, where from MM01. You can go to MM03 also. MM03.
MM03 is for display.
Display the material what you created here. See here. This is a screen here. Here. I can
Multiple
make it
views.
more clear here. Huh? Go to system, settings, choose the normal format, user parameters. Don't go for this grid display. Go to for standard list. It comes more easy format. More format.
Okay.
Now what the concept here is here. Here, this screen, what you entered here, here, has come to here. To that, this is the table, this is the screen. This is the database. 2197. This went to some other table. This is kg. Where you see the kg here, you can see here the kg. Here. Huh? This is material type. Industry sector, chemical industry, C. Material group. This is material C here, ALCC here. This ALCC has been stored in the table here. This is the left side is not a table. Left side is the screen, right side is the table. So other field is not visible. You can choose here. Click on settings, format, choose fields. You can choose which fields you need to be in the output. Here. Deselect here. You can go to MATNR you need. So you created a material type. Choose a material type here. This is a field name, this is a field description, label. Industry sector, material group, units of measure. So quantity, gross weight, net weight. Gross weight, net weight, unit of weight. Click on apply. Now you see in your table only those fields what you selected here. Do you see now here? This is the entire SAP flow for last 30 years, 40 years, or next 40 years, 100 years also. Get the point? The way you develop skills may be different, but the flow is there forever. Flow. Flow. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
So this is the front end. User is enters the data here. This is the back end where the data has been stored. How to go data from front end to back end is the ABAP code. Earlier is based on the screen. Now the new code we are developing is through the Fiori apps. The backend code is the RAP programming mode instead of screen programming mode. Okay, we'll move on. Quickly complete this search help. Right, we are here. We go to here. Practice all the things what I today practiced. You do as it is what I did in the class. You create a new material by going to MM01. Do what steps I have done, same steps you do it. Okay, na? Hello?
Sure, sir.
Yes,
Sure.
sir. Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
So that you will get in your mind, this type of explanation you don't find in the general any websites, I mean, in general library or ChatGPT. You'll get only from the faculties only. Parameters. Okay. What are
Parameters
the
is
purpose of parameters?
to take the input from user.
This topic we have not done. Okay, na?
Mm.
This is user's input. P underscore MATNR is a parameter name, like an input variable. Type. I don't give type, for example, initially, I want to take material input. Type C. Just only one line statement.
Mega, when you use the parameter, now you will see text box on the screen.
Oh.
So it
Input
will take,
box.
input
Correct.
box.
Input box. Input output box.
So
You can
means
choose
via
here.
input box, we will take the input, na? See. Okay.
Here.
Okay.
Got it?
So here, if you
Yeah,
observe
got
here,
it.
if you observe here, there is no search option here. See here. There is no search
Yes.
option here. Okay, now what I do is I will use the search help what we created just now. I mean, what we created.
Hmm. For that search help, when you type
That name is match code object.
match code object, right?
Copy paste the search help name here. Go to here. What is search help name is? And just copy paste here. Dot here. That's all. Check syntax.
Because of this match code object, Mega, you will get one button on the screen. Search button.
Okay. So that search code name we copy paste, no, so that we have to create on while creating the table itself, no, sir.
A separate one. This one we created in the last session, sir. This one based on the help you. This one. This is based on the help you we created.
So when you click on that button, this help you will be open.
So double click here. If double click here, go to search help. Search help contains help you. From here the data will come. From here the data will come. This is the flow. Activate now. What I suggest is to all of you, don't try to be understood 100% theory point of view now. You practice it 2-3 times, then you understood automatically. You get a lot of doubts. Your doubts will get, you only clarify your own doubts. Understood? Theoretically, if you think to understood, it takes time to you to understood this terminology and all. Okay. Now execute here. Search option. This is search option came. Click here.
That search
This
view
data is
coming
coming
here.
from
Search help coming.
and help you. Data is from help you. This 1, 2, 3, 4 comes from the search help. Here, what we created here.
Ah, 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 parameters.
Okay. If you observe here carefully, this data comes from here, this box. I'll put this in the PPT. Right? This is the data.
Draw one arrow from left screen to right screen. That one. Okay, this is the field coming from here.
Right? If you go to here, the data. Okay. This is the data. Okay. Whereas
this field coming from here, Mega. Okay.
Positions. So positions of the fields, this structure will come this one here, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So export is, you click here, the value will come here. If we export here, now the user have exported the value, exported from the list to the screen. Now we can move on to selecting the data. Suppose you want to write that code also, I can write quickly. I can write a simple code, select single star from into maybe better I should not write a code, new code later. Write a new code later. Now this becomes work area. means structure, single record. Now think of what will do this select statement.
Select statement will use Mara table and get the
single record from table to put into work area.
Work area is only for to get this to holding one record at a time, right now?
Yes. So you can write material number is.
So you told three things. One is work area to hold one table at one record at a time. One is structure, right?
Both are same only.
But three things you told. One is work area and then two more things.
Work area, variable, internal table.
Yeah.
We have not started that topic. This topic as we have not started. Don't worry, feel the complexity. That's all now. Check syntax. So what you are giving the user option to insert the data, not to insert, to select the data, and you are writing the code accordingly. Choose the data here. Go to user. Execute. Material number is material type. Why it is coming empty? Put a select statement here. Put a breakpoint here. Execute. Give the material. Why this material number is failing?
Material number is not available, I guess, sir.
Available, yes, sir.
Details are not there in database.
Actually, it is available. There is a reason for that. Okay, now why it is failing? Why it is failing is it is the leading zeros we are not doing here. For example, here this number, right? 115.
Exact.
So you don't have the leading zeros by default here. Now it will work. Execute. This is the material number. Click on execute. This material number is not available. 115, right? Go to Mora table. So sorry, we should give only 18 digits total. Go to here. Go to the program. Execute. Two.
5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? 12, 13, 14, 15. No execute here. So my control is here in runtime. I'm debugging. Okay. Some select statement success or failure, I can check it here. Select single statement. Again 0. How many digits are there? Check it if 15 is the 18 is there or not. How many digits are there here? Can you count the zeros, please?
16 is 3 more zeros need required, sir.
Correct. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Correct. You are right. 3 more zeros here. Click on
Sir, is it
execute.
mandatory to give like this zeros, or we can do in some other way?
Some other way, I'll tell you. No, if you refer to data element, it takes automatically.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now this will become success here. Now.
Sir, she is telling like that कि instead of writing 000, we can write percentage, right? Delimiter something, percentage 0, percentage.
No. I don't think so. See, now this is success. How do you know success? We'll come to this topic.
No.
This is a 0 means success. No data has come. You can check it here. Material number, material type.
Where is the 0, sir?
Execute.
Where is the 0?
This 0. This
Okay.
very
Sir,
very powerful variable in ABAP. This.
Sir, I'm sorry,
This-
I forget how you attach the debugger. Can you show it again? Attach the debug, and then after this is
Click
the
on
program.
back,
Okay.
right. Remove the breakpoint. You can put a breakpoint here. Put the cursor here. Click on stop here. Now control will stop here. Click on execute.
Acha. Got it. No.
Right. Click on execute.
F8. Execute is F8.
F8. Now control is at line number 11. Okay. Now this is going to get single record from the database table put into one work area. Because work area is nothing but a structure.
So already it is 0 na. On the top side already it is 0. Even the statement is not executed, is showing 0.
Default value is 0.
Okay.
Default value is 0 here.
This one, sir,
Now-
corner. This one 0. SX hyphen SUBRC variable, right?
This field only 0 is the default value. If it is success, it becomes 0. If it is failure, it becomes non-zero.
Okay.
If you want to make it failure, I can make it now. Here, go to here. I can make it failure. Change it to some.
Remove
some
1 0.
zeros. And it will become now fail. You see,
Ah,
now it
yes.
becomes fail. 4
So it's
means not fail.
It's not necessary that 0 1 it will take. If the fail, it can take any number apart from 0.
Fail means anything other than 0. This is the entry question for the freshers.
Yes.
Because many people, when we observe, it becomes 4 only. But does not mean that 4 only become a failure. It may be sometimes 8 also. Hence, the definition is non-zero. This is a critical, a very critical variable in the ABAP.
Variable name is SY underscore something, right?
System variable, that one. Okay, now, right, we can attach to the data element level. The same thing here, right?
Sir, breakpoint is we are stopping to that select thing, and we are executing it to check whether it is working or not. It is right, sir?
Basically, breakpoint when we use it is two scenarios. One is when we are learning any new things to understand the data flow, not data flow, control flow, how the control is going. We use the breakpoint. Other scenario is whenever any error comes, to analyze the error, we go for the breakpoint. Breakpoint will make the program to go to run mode, or line by line execution mode.
Okay. So we can declare anywhere in code where we feel the error is there. We can declare that.
Exactly. Correct.
You can put a stop wherever you think you need to analyze that particular block of the code. You can go and put this breakpoint, and control will stop there. Then from there you can go line by line analyzing the code.
Okay.
Basically, for learning line by line the code, not learning. Basically, analyzing the code line by line is very important while you are learning the subject. I tell to everyone, learn the subject through the debugging. Because I've seen many people, they don't do debug unless they get any error. No, we should learn the topics to be learned only in the debugging mode only, more clearly.
Okay.
And 5 will stop here or what? We'll continue the search help element call to search help next class. Wait, I have the other class. 1 minute.
Yes, sir. You can stop. That's it, sir. Okay.
1 minute. Hold on.
ठीक है. चलो.
Other class I have planned. I stop the recording.